Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Devin with Freckled Mom. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, hey! Make sure if you like this video, you give it a big thumbs up. Also, when you subscribe to my channel, you can see when I upload a new video. Today we are shopping and getting some inspiration for spring decor. Let's head out. Okay, first stop is a Christmas tree shop, and look what I found. Hello, nautical. You guys know that my house is nautical. I'm somewhere in between like a farmhouse nautical and like a cottage nautical, and I don't know. We live very close to the beach and I just enjoy the beach, and I love anything with seashells and blues and browns. So this caught my eye and I could spend all day here, and I could spend my entire bank account here.
Now it's too late. Now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding. I have scars.
A lot of these things we can make on our own. Like, they're not that hard if you put in the time and, you know, be ready to have a few fails. But we can make this stuff, and I am going to do that this summer. We are going to be crafting out our hearts and trying new things, and let's just try anything, you know, like faith over fear.
I've lost all my chances. I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too.
These wreaths and these little signs were like super expensive. Well, this little sign wasn't super expensive, but the wreaths were really expensive, and we can make this stuff. So I am not going to pay full price. I just want to get some inspiration. And here comes the Easter. Oh my goodness, how cute. I don't do a big Easter setup. I do a little bit, you know, some bunnies, some eggs here and there, but I don't go like super crazy because the kids really, they don't care anymore, you know, like they're teenagers, but it's still fun, you know. I think it's cute. I just don't like to go overboard, but I'd like to incorporate my spring and my Easter, so I definitely want to get some inspiration. And what do you guys think? Like, are you big Easter decorators? Because some people who like aren't religious, it's not a big deal for them. It's just another holiday to have people over and give out little presents to the kids. But I know some very religious people who love this holiday, and rightly so. Like, do it, baby.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures.
Using the farm truck was like my first time this year for Christmas, and I won't say I'm obsessed, but I definitely want to incorporate it more because it's so cute. And I feel like I'm jumping on like the tail end where people are gonna be like, no, farm trucks aren't cool anymore, but they're cool to me. So I am going to do something, not a big thing, but something cute. Look at that bunny, he's so cute. Oh my goodness, he's adorable.
If you're thinking about me too, now it's too late. Now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding. I have scars, the ones not healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault.
I am getting so much inspiration today. I love it. And then, of course, it tops off right here. Clearance. Hello, this is my favorite.
I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too.
If you haven't noticed, we're at Bed Bath & Beyond now. So Like I said in my last video, this store is a little too pricey for me. These are so cute, but we can all make this, and we are not spending $20 to have a little flower vase in our house. Well, maybe you do. I don't. I like to make it. I think these are simple enough to make by yourself, and you can do it super cute for way less.
What I should do, I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you, thinking of you.
Spring and florals go hand in hand. The prettier the flowers, the different colors, I mean, it all adds into your spring decor. I'm not sure exactly the style I'm going this year. I don't know if I want to do like woods or metals, but I'm definitely getting a lot of ideas. In the comments, let me know, are you already completely decorated for spring, or are you just getting started? I know some people who are completely already decorated, and good for them. I am a little behind on that. We have had like snowstorm after snowstorm, and while I've been crafting, I haven't really been decorating, so I really need to kick it up. Look at these bee things. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I love bee stuff. I could just put bee stuff around my entire house. I really could. I love it so much. It's just so cute. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Oh, I love this guy. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. But $20 though, I mean, he is really heavy, but I think I'm gonna pass. I don't know. Maybe I'll bring a coupon and go back for it. Super cute.
Now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on.
I love all this decor. It is so cute. I love the garden theme. I love the bee theme. Oh, it's just adorable. Which one's your favorite? Do you like bee or garden, or neither? Put it in the comments. Let me know.
Treated you much better, so much better. I miss you.
Lots of sales, but I still think we can make this for less, and I am going to do it.
I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you.
Hi guys, wasn't that fun? I love shopping. I think I say that every time. I wanted to tell you guys, before I even went shopping, I had this from a thrift store, and I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with it, but I had an idea. I was thinking about some salt and pepper shakers. So I had this, and I was gonna refinish it to do something, and I was thinking, like, what if I found like really cute salt and pepper shakers? Today I found them. It looks like they're gonna fit. How cute are these guys? So these were from the Christmas tree shop, right? So cute. They fit perfect. How cute is that? I don't know what it'll say. Maybe something about spice in my life, or keep it spicy. I don't know. We'll see. I'll think of it. But I got a couple other things at Christmas tree shops. Alright, so this isn't anything to do with crafting, but I got it on sale, so I was excited. So, for my son, with his last name, Caleb. That's cute, and it's so soft. Oh my goodness, I love it. I might keep it for myself, because it is my maiden name. These Kwanzaa houses, they were less than $1. Clearance, love it. So of course I got 3 of them. That's all there was. Actually no, there was 4, but one of them was broken up here, so. And it already comes with like a little thing on the back. So these are perfect, so I can just, I hope I can. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I think I'll be able to pop these guys off. I'll just pop it off, sand this down, and we'll be good to go. I got this for my youngest son. He loves like eggs and hot dogs, and he likes things in like little pans. So I just thought it was cute, so I grabbed it. And then I got a couple of these. I mean, these were like 60 cents, I think. And, you know, they're not paper. You know, they're nice ones. Let's see. I got a whole bunch of them. So I don't know if I'm going to do crafts with them, or if I'm actually just going to give it to the kids for Easter. But we'll see, because they're boys, you know. But, I mean, who cares? Oh, these were wicked cute. So I just liked them. I thought they were cute. This one's my favorite. Namaste at home with my dog. Oh my god, so cute. This, half off. this is so perfect because I can use this for like a gift for somebody, and it's got no words on it, so I can either paint it or, yeah, probably paint it because it's got some stuff on the edge, and then put some kind of saying on it. I don't know, we'll see. That's it from Christmas Tree Shop. So this one was from Joann Fabrics. Again, I don't always go to this store. I only go to this store when I'm in the area, and it's not that often. So when I do, I go in and I only get what I need. I don't go crazy shopping in there. So this was paint I needed for a project, so I just got that. Not really colors I would choose for a project, but that's what the customer wanted, so that's what they get. This was for another project. I was trying to do some glass project and I was having a hard time with it, so I got this, and hopefully this will work. I don't know, we'll see. And then I just needed some new brushes, but all this stuff was on clearance or on sale, so I was happy to find it. You know, like I said, I really don't like shopping at Joann's too much because I think they're a little overpriced, but when things are on sale, they're good. So I just got a couple new brushes. These are so cute. My goodness, little hashtag symbols, and they were 22 cents. You kidding me? Who's gonna pass that up? Who is going to pass that up? 22 cents. So cute. I normally like the long glue sticks, but I happen to see them and I've been meaning to try them because I heard that they were good on wood projects and on some canvas projects, because you know canvas is pretty thick. So the Gorilla Glue, and this was on clearance too. It was half off. Like, what? Okay, I'll take it. You don't have to twist my arm. Oh, and then I forgot. I got 2 more of these for my own house because I figured this is gonna go to the retail booth, I think. We'll see. It might go as a gift for somebody. I don't know yet. That's it from those stores. So then I went to the dollar store. So you guys remember last week I went to the dollar store and it was one that like wasn't near my house. So I went again and I got more wooden boxes, and I already showed you guys that last week. So if you didn't see last week's video, I'm gonna put it in the description so you guys can see it because I got so many cute things. Oh my goodness. So this time I got, oh my goodness, just kidding, it's just a sharpener. I got all excited. I got some jute. I needed one of these. Like I said, my Dollar Tree does not carry wood crafts. Don't ask me why. We should like start a petition or something, like everybody write into Fall River and be like, you need to get wood crafts. Why don't you have them? This Dollar Tree, Dartmouth, they have it. So look at this. This I was actually thinking for the retail booth. This sign I could write like something about my husband's cards or TCG or Pokemon or something, you know, like this way. And then on the other wall where the decor is, my stuff, I got the other side, you know? So cards that way, decor that way. How cute is that? I love it. I found one of these, which I see people doing crafts with them, and like I said, my Dollar Tree, SUCKS. I don't want to be fresh, but it does. It really doesn't have that much stuff, and it definitely doesn't have these, so I grabbed 2 of them. So I'll make a little laundry room sign. Plus, we started my laundry room, oh my goodness, probably before summer, and we didn't do anything with it. All we did was clean up a couple things out of it and put like a piece of wood down, and I painted it, and that was it for a little folding station. So we definitely need to up the game on that. Oh, I love these. Again, my dollar store doesn't have this. I know, you're wondering like, what kind of dollar store is this? It doesn't have these kind of things. So these are so cute, and these are the ones that they're raised so you can paint it and then distress it. So I'm super excited. And I didn't know which ones to get, so I got 3 of those, and then I got 3 of those. And last but not least, I got some rugs. And these are just to do some crafts on, maybe do maybe some gifts for a couple people. I have a friend having a baby, so I was thinking about making one for her. You know, like baby's here or something. I don't know, we'll see. She might have the baby before I get to make it, and then it doesn't matter at that point. All right, guys, that's it. So not as big of a shopping haul as usual, but all good stuff. Some of my retail boot stuff, and some just for my home crafts, and some for my custom orders. So I'm excited I got everything. And of course, I'm excited. I got it on sale and on clearance because I cannot stand paying full price for anything. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and let me know in the comments, like, what was your favorite thing? Like, I don't know. I'm like so set on these. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. I love little things like that. So anyways, that was my favorite, but you guys tell me what your favorite is. And if you're looking, I'm on Instagram and Facebook as Freckled Mom. So see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do shop with me videos, DIY, thrift flips, and more. If you like these kinds of videos, make sure you hit that bell and subscribe to see more. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm on Instagram and Facebook as Freckled Mom. Thank you for watching, and I am excited to hear what your favorite thing was today. See you soon.
I'm out of time.